Yeah, so we went to Esquimalt Rec to Nina's first swimming lesson as a 2.5-year-old. And in the parking lot, Mommy couldn't get around one of the cars. And when she tried to back up, she got even more stuck. So Mommy made a big, expensive mistake while we were supposed to be at the swimming lesson. A big, expensive mistake. Big, expensive mistake. So, luckily, Nina was sleeping during the entire process of the big, expensive mistake. She got a nice nap. I think I'm overly tired. I think it's fatigue. I can't really blame anything else other than the fatigue. I feel like I shouldn't be driving right now. I just hope we make it home in one piece. 2 pieces. Me and Nina. But yeah, Mommy made a big, expensive mistake. I don't know how much their car is going to cost, but our truck, this truck, is going to be like $10,000. So I just left a little note on their car that says, go ahead, file a claim against me. Here's my name and information. License plate, phone number. Yeah, some woman at the front desk told me that if it looks like over $5,000 damage to the other person's car, that you're supposed to call the police. But, yeah. I don't know. Maybe I'll try calling Mike back again.